And the winner is, I believe it is, right? Baja Designs. Congratulations to Baja Designs. Talk about innovation, San Diego, Baja, we know it, we love it. Congratulations. This is a big one. Congratulations, man. You guys have obviously progressed. I've seen you guys, San Marcos, California. What? You all right, Brennan? Did you have a long night? No, everything's fine, right? Everything's fine.
Thank you. Honored, and Baja Designs celebrates 30 years of manufacturing high-performance forward solution lights. We've got some new products launching in our booth in racing and performance, and here in a couple minutes we'll actually be launching what's called the Effective Lighting Score, a new way of measuring OHV lights. Thank you, SEMA. Thank you, the employees, the team, everyone at Baja Designs at home. This is going right in next to our display for everyone to see, and thank you.
No, we're good. I mean, we work really hard, and it's cool to finally see it, see it happen. So,
acknowledged by your peers.
It. Yes, thank you.
Great,
Thank you.
congratulations. Congratulations, thank you guys. Thank you.